father of the man who killed and dismembered a 31-year-old woman is on trial, charged with lying about and helping to cover up the murder.
He faces life in prison while his wife took a plea deal on the same charges that will mean she'll be out of jail in less than a year.
Barton Dieters was in court today. He brings us the details on what happened. Barton?
It was late in the afternoon before a jury was finally seated in this case, but it was an argument over what that jury will see that ended the day. James Chance is charged with perjury and accessory after the fact in the November slaying and dismemberment of Ashley Young. Prosecutors say he and his wife Barbara Chance moved a box containing Young's remains as well as tools used to cut her up from the scene of her murder in southeast Grand Rapids to their home in Holland, where police also found the saw used to dismember her. Police say the former Rock Island, Illinois police officer also lied to police in the course of the investigation and failed to notify authorities of the crime. Opening statements and testimony will start tomorrow, but after a jury was picked, James Chance's defense attorney objected to a photo provided by Ashley Young's mother. The prosecution wanted to show the jury.
The jury is going to hear a lot about Ashley, and unfortunately, the court's well aware we don't have all of her body part, including her head.
Your Honor, my objection is based on the fact that this picture proves nothing. It's probative of nothing.
With all the other witnesses involved in the case, and they should be able to at least put a face to Ashley's name.
I think that it's merely being introduced to inflame the passions of the jury, so there can be some kind of, perhaps sympathy of this is, look at this young beautiful girl, and look at this horrible thing that happened to her.
The judge reminded the prosecution that this trial was not about the murder.
Your Honor, the jury's going to hear all about Ashley, but this is the murder trial. No, I understand that, but it's about the defendant helping his son get away with her mutilation.
The judge sided with the defense, saying showing the jury the picture was prejudicial and had no probative value. Jared Chance's mother, Barbara Chance, pleaded no contest to the charges against her, the same charges her husband faces. The judge told her she'd be spending less than a year in jail as long as nothing arises before sentencing next month. Still unknown is whether she will testify against her husband in this case. In the Kent County Courthouse, Barton Dieters, News 8.